Hey everyone! If you're as passionate about fitness as I am, you're probably intrigued by the world of weightlifting sports. Today, let's dive deep and unlock some amazing secrets that can elevate your game. First off, let's talk about the different types of weightlifting sports. There's Olympic weightlifting, which involves the snatch and the clean and jerk. These moves are not just about brute strength, but also require incredible technique and timing. Then there's powerlifting, which focuses on the squat, bench press, and deadlift. Powerlifting tests your absolute strength and is all about lifting as much weight as possible in these three lifts. Now, why should you consider weightlifting sports? Well, apart from the obvious muscle building, it's phenomenal for improving bone density, boosting metabolism, and enhancing joint stability. This isn't just about looking good. It's about building a stronger, more resilient body. But here's a secret not many talk about: the mental benefits. Weightlifting trains your focus and discipline. Every lift is a mental challenge, as much as it is physical. Learning to push through those tough moments can really fortify your mental resilience. Let's not forget about the community aspect. The weightlifting community is incredibly supportive and motivating. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced lifter, there's always someone cheering you on, offering advice, or sharing a technique tip. To get started, you don't need much, just some basic equipment and proper guidance. Always remember, technique is key. It's better to lift lighter weights with correct form than to risk injury with heavier weights in poor form. So, are you ready to challenge yourself and see what you're capable of? Dive into the world of weightlifting sports and watch as you transform not just your body, but also your mind and spirit. Until next time, keep pushing, keep lifting, and stay strong.